Hello friends, in this exercise we will discuss conditional formatting. So let's first understand what is formatting. The formatting includes font, font size, if it is bold, italic or underline, background color of the cell, font color and border of the cell or the range, etc. So this includes a number of things that is related to the visibility of the data. So if you apply conditional formatting or formatting on a cell, then it becomes glaringly visible among lots of data. Suppose we want to see where the data is duplicated. Then there is a provision in the conditional formatting that will make you to duplicate data glaringly visible. So we can do whatever we want to do with them. So number of decisions depend on the visibility of the data. So here let's consider the first exercise. Format the cell with text. I mean the cell which is containing the text with green font and yellow background. With green font color and yellow background color. And format the cell with the number with red font color and yellow background. So how you have to go about this exercise, let me explain that first, and then how you will practice that I will explain later. So what you have to do first, you have to select the given range and then go to conditional formatting under home tab, conditional formatting, and go to manage rules. This will show you how many rules are applied on this range. So there are two rules applied on this range. First is this one and the second is this one. So if you want to further explore the first rule, then click the first rule and go to edit rule. And here you can see select the rule. Under the select the rule option, you have selected the last one, that is use formula to determine which cell to format. So a formula will determine here which cell will be formatted. So under now the another setting, format values where the formula is true. And what is the formula? Formula is equal to is number B5. So I have not given the range address here. Please note down, I have not given the range address here, but I have given the address of only the first cell. So what is the first cell? It is B5. So is number B5. I have selected the range, but I have used the address of very first cell of the range. And this will take care of the entire range, formatting of the entire range. You don't have to write the, I am repeating, you don't have to mention the range here. You have to use the address of the first cell only, right? Then how do we define the formatting? For that we will click this format button and this will open up the new dialog box. Now in this dialog box you can see there are different settings: number, font, border, fill. There are 4 tabs here. So mostly we work in font, border and fill. First let's see what is the fill color. Fill color is, for the first rule we are discussing here. Okay, so this background color is the fill color. Fill color is yellow, selected here. We are studying it. We are not setting it. We are just studying whatever is already set. Okay. So now going to the border part. So in the border part, we haven't applied any border. It is blank. If you want to apply one, you can click this outline option and this border will be applied here. Fine. I'm not applying it because it is not applied as yet. Then I'm clicking font. In the font section, you can define this font cannot be defined from here. Font can be defined from here in this home tab, not from here. Okay, whatever is applied, but here from you can't select the font type. You can select the font style here. You can make it bold, italic, or underline like this, or regular. Okay, you cannot also this it is dull, so you cannot apply this font size as well. Okay, neither the font nor the font size. Fine. Underline is there. You can select one for you, but I'm not selecting anything. The color of the font is red. I have selected here. You can select any other color from this menu. Right. The preview will be shown here. And in the case of number, if you want to apply a certain format, you can apply it from here. Okay, I'm not applying because it is not applicable here. You can apply it for the number if you want. If you select rupees, the number will be converted into rupees. I'm applying it for you. So here is the format, how the things will be visible. Okay, and then if you click OK, then the things will be applied on the selected range. So I'm clicking OK. There is no rupees sign here. After I will click OK, you will see rupees sign will appear in front of all the numbers because I have defined that here. I'm clicking OK. I'm clicking apply. Look, here the hash marks is appearing because the size is not enough to accommodate this data. So I'm clicking OK to give final command, and I am resizing the cell to make it visible. The data inside is visible now with a rupees sign, as I told you earlier. So this is how you will study. I have studied the first rule. Now I am going to study the second rule. So I will go to the manage once again. I will go to the second rule. I will go to edit option, and here the things are there. Similar thing is there. Use formula to determine which cell to format, and here equal to each text B5 in the similar fashion as we did it earlier, and define the format, font, border, fill, everything, and then I'm cancelling it once again. So in the similar fashion, you have to define everything and click OK to apply it. I'm closing it. So you have to repeat. Having understood these settings, you will have to go to this place and will have to apply now. So this time you will go to new rule. Under the new rule, you will go to use formula to determine that, and here you will write equal to each number in this format B5. Now B5 has become E5. It is no longer B5. So we will write here E5 in place of B5, and we'll define the format here. Suppose the background color will be this, fill color will be this, border color, we will give the border color, we can decide it from here. Red color border, you have to click it once again to apply the color. Then go to font and say it should be bold. Okay, and this color, we can apply the font color. Let me choose blue color for this and click OK. So here is the entire preview, how the cell will look. I'm clicking OK to finalize everything. So here it is. I have decided it for format. I have decided the format for the number. So I'm clicking OK to make it final. So the things are applied. Now I am going to apply the second rule. So I will go to the new rule once again. I will go to use formula to determine this thing. This time I will write each text E5. So that will determine the text format for the selected range. So here I am deciding the background color will be yellow. I'm not doing it as per the instruction. I'm doing it independently. Select the blue border line, font color, uh, font color, font color will be selected from here. Font color will be, say, suppose bracket bold. Okay, and that is okay. Again click OK. So that's it. Now if I write a number here, look at this. The number is blue color with the given background that we had selected. If I am writing my name, Gautam Prasad, the format that I had selected for the text is visibly there. And if I write Shavak Nana Vati Technical Institute, it is again the same. If I write 5555, then the number format is applied. So this way you can understand how the format is applied and the rules are defined for a given range. Thank you very much. Happy learning.